Hey all, the Salvation Army on Dempster has closed. All items were 69 cents. Yeah, so there's not much in there. I got a couple of bric-a-brac items. I'll show you what they are. Some note cards, a necklace, a bracelet, and a bag of yarn. So we're going to open up the yarn and see what it's like. I'm going to make a scarf with a teal and white yarn. I'm going to crochet a scarf. So I'm going to use a Solomon knot stitch. It looks like little X's running across in rows. It involves making 2 large loops. So like here I'm rolling out the yarn and using my thumb as a guide to make 1 large stitch. I'm going to go ahead and roll it out again and make a second large stitch. And after 2 stitches you connect up with the center knot. I'm doing here, and then you do two more stitches and connect up with the next knot. So I need to do 60 or 70 rows of these. I'm going to add 2 rows of white at the end and the beginning, sort of finish the scarf, and I'll speed up the video so you can see the end result. Hey, for my next video, we're going to head down to Chicago's Chinatown to celebrate Chinese New Year. Woohoo!